No, actually I joked last time in my shorts about did I take the plow off too early. But as you can see, I didn't think we should get this much snow. How much snow did we get? "30 centimeter, 12 inches with wet snow." So what do I do now? Well, I actually have called for my neighbor, so he will come with his ATV. But 30 centimeter with wet snow, I don't know if the ATV can handle it. Maybe I should call a tractor, I don't know. And it will not give up. It's still snowing. Well, it's not like melting snow, this. It's like full winter again. A foot with snow, 30 centimeter. I called for my neighbor and I borrowed his ATV since he has still the plow on. And he took my ATV back to his place. So now I can also plow here. And it's even more snow now. So this will be fun, but it's a good ATV and side wings. So now I will see how it is to use a side wing. I mean side wings for plowing. The problem here is now that underneath it's only gravel. So I have to be careful so don't move all the gravel away. So we will see. He also have a change on his ATV, so more pushing power. Also it's a heavier machine. And now the rest. You can see I'm straight down to the earth, to the gravel.
Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Yeah, I think it's good enough for today. Yeah, but it's a good machine. See ya. Winch wire broke. Well.